Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. How are you? I hope you are listening in the good state of health and hope you are doing well. So, today is the Thursday and the date is April 29. And today we are going to do the question answer chapter number 1, Introduction to Hardware. Okay, we just go through the chapter to know that how many parts of the computer are there and which are those parts who makes the computer together. Okay, so in today's class we are going to do the question answer, means definitions. I will mark I will first of all I will write the page number of the answer on the whiteboard. You can take a screenshot from there, and after that I will mark it from the book as well. Okay, first of all we are going to write the page number of the answers. You can note it out. System unit is on page number 4. Memory is on page number 7. Processor, page number 5.
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर
Yes.
टीचर ये हम समरी में से नहीं कर सकते
No. There are very short answer in the summary. So you have to go for these answers which I have marked on the book.
टीचर जी एक मिनट रुकिएगा मैं पेज नंबर देख लूं
कंप्यूटर की बुक लेगा जल्दी पेज नंबर 17
Okay. I have written all the page numbers of the answers on the whiteboard. Everybody can take a screenshot. Then now I'm going to mark those answers from the book. Okay. I am going to share my book and we can see that what are the answers we have to mark. So first of all, we will go for the definition of system unit, which is on page number 4. So let's get moved to page number 4. Okay, here is the definition of system unit you can see, and I am going to underline it. System is a unit where processing takes place. It consists of the main circuit board, processor, power supply, storage devices. It can be found in different shapes and sizes. And system unit protects internal electronic components from the damage. So why these components are put inside this box? So the idea is to protect all of these from the dust, from the damage. So in this way, we have underlined the definition of system unit. Everybody can see it and underline it. And show me the thumbs up when you have done it.
Yes.
Seventh class, show me thumbs up when you have done it so I can move to the next page.
टीचर मैंने अभी क्लास ज्वाइन किया है, आप क्या करवा रही हैं?
Okay, now we will move to the definition of memory, which is on page number 7. So here is the page number 7, and you can see the definition of memory, and I am going to underline the definition. Memory consists of electronic chips. Memory stores instructions and data so that CPU can process them. It is the working space of the computer. Everybody show me thumbs up when you have underlined the definition.
टीचर जी, it is the working space of the computer की है.
Yes, it is the working space of the computer.
ठीक है.
Okay. Now we will do the definition number 3, processor, and we have to go to page number 5 for its answer. So I'm moving to page number 5. At the end of page number 5, you can see that here is a definition of processor. So I'm going to underline it. Processors work like a human brain. Its primary purpose is to carry out set of instructions and process the data efficiently and accurately. So these two lines are included in your answer. Definition number 3.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
टीचर जी, ये वाली लाइन छोड़ देनी है. It is a silicon chip fixed on the motherboard.
Yes, you have to skip it because definitions
ठीक
are
है.
short. So that's why we are just including these two lines in the definition. Show me the thumbs up if you have marked the processor's definition. And remaining
Excuse
others.
me, teacher.
Yes.
टीचर, आपने ये वेडनेसडे को क्या काम करवाया था?
You can take the lecture of the Wednesday from YouTube.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm moving to question 4, barcode reader, which is on page number 11. So we have to move to page number 11 for the answer. Here you can see the barcode reader. Okay. So for the definition, I'm going to underline it. Barcode reader is a laser scanning device. It translates the information stored in the form of a barcode. This information includes batch number, product name, etc. I have underlined the definition. You can see it. Show me thumbs up once we have done it. Okay, now I'm moving to the next. For the motherboard, we have to move to page number 5. Question number 5 and the last definition of today's lesson. Motherboard. We will go to page number 5. I am going to underline the definition. Motherboard or system board is a main circuit board. All the computer components are plugged or connected with it. This is the definition you have to do for the motherboard.
Yes.
Everybody have done it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to ask a question. Processor is fixed on the dash. A fan, B chipboard, C motherboard, D expansion slot. What will be the answer?
Motherboard.
Very good. Okay, Iman, I'm going to ask you a question. Listen me carefully.
Yes.
Which one of the following parts of the CPU controls the sequence of the instructions? Option A, AU, option B, CU, option C, LU, option D, ALU.
CU.
Very good. Lareb, you can unmute your mic. I am asking you a question. Listen me carefully. A processor is also known as dash. A CPU, B UPS, C UPC, D PUS. What will be the right answer? Okay, बताएं.
CPU.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, RAM stands for dash. A, random access memory. B, random analysis method. C, readable memory. D, random available memory. What will be the right answer?
Random access memory.
Very good. Okay. Tell me about ROM stores data dash. A, permanently. B, temporarily. C, partially. D, fully.
मैम दोबारा बोलिएगा.
ROM stores data dash. A, permanently. B, temporarily. C, partially. D, fully.
नहीं आ रही.
Okay, I'm going to repeat it. ROM stores data
Should
dash.
I answer?
ROM stores data dash. A, permanently. B, temporarily. C, partially. D, fully. What will be the answer? Answer will be permanent. Okay, listen me.
इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम की वजह से.
Okay, no problem. Barcode reader is an dash device. A, output. B, input. C, display. D, storage.
Input device.
Very good. Okay, now today's lesson has been completed. So it's time to say goodbye to you people. Everybody take care of yourselves and don't go outside. Keep safe and stay home. Allah Hafiz everyone.
Hafiz.